Yes, welcome to today's series in our CAD training session. So we are going to look at um, introduction to 3D sketching and also adding what you call composite curve, using the composite curve to convert sketches into one curve. At the same time, we be using sweep commands to do our design. So basically for our 3D sketching, when you are selecting these planes, it means you're using 2D sketching. But as we're going to do 3D sketching, so how do we do it? Ensure you have your SolidWorks licensed. Open up or launch your SolidWorks from the desktop. Then come to this sketch command on the feature design tree. Um, Click on the drop down, pick 3D sketch. 3D sketch. We want to look at these commands. We can change the units here to inches, IPS. Okay, then check here to this sketch. From there, take your line, draw a line from this origin. Then it must go along this axis, that is X axis. Then go up. If you want to go up, follow along this axis, click here. Again, click tap icon, because I want to go this direction, like this. Then you want to go that direction, so click tap, go this direction. Okay, again, you want to go this way, so click on this. Maybe I can come here, then back. I follow this direction, then back to this one. I want to go down, so click tap command, go down, then to this point. This is 3D sketch we have. From this 3D sketch, we want to dimension this 3D sketch. For example, we can click on this smart dimension. We say this one is close to 3 inches. The height, this one is close to 4 inches. Okay, click this one. Then we can say this line and this line are collinear. We can say this one and this are equal. Yes. Then ensure that it starts from origin. Remember here it didn't start from origin. So maybe if the point is not working at the origin, just hold down this point, click control down, select the two points, and then say make coincident. Okay, coincident. So you need to make this one to start at the origin, or you can track this one like this here. Yes, so that it starts from that point. Then you can start dimensioning or continue dimensioning. This one can be 6 inches. Then we can say this one and this are equal. Yes, if they are 6, 2.5, 2.5, that is 5. So the gap in between should be 1 inch apart. Then you can say this is 2.5, which is okay now. Then this one we can say it is 3 inches. Okay, we want to make sure that our sketch is black. Why is it not black? Can zoom this area. Yes, not black because of this. So we need to ensure that this sketch is black. Should be here like this. So now it's black, which means if you look at this one, you say editing a sketch, it is under defined. Why undefined? We can also say this one and this one are equal. Make them equal. This line and this line are equal like this. Then here it is now fully defined. When it's fully defined in SolidWorks, the sketch is black. I don't know if we call it black or dark, but when it's not fully defined, it's not black. So we can put fillet. How much can we put? 0.5, radius of 0.5 inches. So we can ensure that we put this one and this and this and this one. Yes. Okay. Even this, accept. This and this one and this one, accept. Here you can click two lines or two corners, here, here also. So they're okay, then click OK again. So all of them are now have fillet. So we have this sketch. We have used what we call 3D sketch. For you to use 3D sketch, use the tab command in your computer. The tab command. Using a tab command in your computer, you so that you pick the right plane. Like for example, this line should follow x-axis, this upper one should follow y-axis, and this other one should follow the z-axis. So you use the tab command to change the orientation. I'll do it another one again. So main objective is to see how we can use 3D sketch commands. From there, how can we convert this 3D sketch command into a composite curve? Before you go there do what? Exit. So click exit. Then come to features here under curves. Click composite curve. Then pick on this one. Then click OK. You see the difference now. It has given us a very uniform sketch. Previously, if I can do suppress this before I suppress this one, because it will hide. Let me undo. First of all, undo again, undo again. So this is the original sketch that we had. It has jointed areas, jointed areas. If I want to use a composite curve to make it uniform, now I do exit first, come to curves, then composite curve. I pick on this, then I accept to give me a uniform curve. Then from this uniform curve, I'm able to also convert into a 3D. Now this is sketch. I want to convert into a 3D. So how do I do it? How do I do it? I can use symbols profile, symbol profile, a circle, maybe. If I want a circle, now the shape depends. I can create another plane, or I can just go direct to feature and then say sweep command. I can take circular, then I say here it is in 2.5. Then I click on this one. Yes, click on it, this one, so that it can give you what you want. So if I wanted to make this one a pipe, this is solid one, I can do that one. So I have used a circular command using sketch feature, sketch boss base, then use, instead of using this sketch profile, I need to do a sketch profile. But if I'm using the same circle, there's no need of me doing the sketch profile. I go direct to circular profile. Then I click OK. So this is what I get. I can hide this composite curve. Yes. This composite curve, I can hide it. So this is what I get. I can also add material, edit. I'm using alloy steel. So I'll add alloy steel, apply, close. Yes. This is solid one. If I wanted to make hollow, what do I do? There's many ways of doing that, but I can show you the simplest way. So you can come to shell, then you click on this face and this face. You can put shell preview. The thickness, I can put this maybe 0.2, for example, 0.2 or 0.1. 0.1 is too small. 0.15, 0.15, 0.15. Let me use, for example, I want to show you the conversion. Before I do this on the show you conversion, I can come here to change to mm. Then I can come to shell, and then I can pick this and this one. So I can say this is a 8, put 2, then say preview. I can put 6, I can put 1. You see? So I'm able to convert from this 1.5, the thickness. This depends on the thickness you have, for example. If I prefer 1.5 or 1.2, then I'll say OK. So I click OK. I can come back to inches. Then let's see the conversion. Then click on this shell edit, right click, edit. We're able to check the unit, so the unit is 0.04, so I can put 0.05, yes, you see? So I'm able to convert from millimeter to inches. If I go back to millimeter, then I come here, click on right click, edit. I'll change here, it is now 1.27, which is the right unit for us to do the shell. So this is the first part we have done in our shell. We can save this one as maybe the 3D sketch, bend pipe one. Let's save there. So this is our first pipe we have done. This is our first pipe we have done. We can now do another example for us to learn how we are able to use what? How we are able to use 3D commands. Shortcut is Control N or File, then New, okay, Part, okay. So I want to do learn again. How can we do 3D sketch? So just click here, sketch, then 3D sketch, take a line, take a line. Normally, let's start from the origin. See, click from this origin. I want it to go which direction? I can click tab. Yes, I want it to come this direction along this path. You see, we follow this the path. So I'm going along Z, and then again change, click tab, command. I want to go along X, then again click tab. I want to go down like this. I want to go along Z, tap again like this, and then tap again. Yeah, that's okay. I want to go this direction like this. Okay. Then this direction like this. Okay. This direction, follow this direction. Okay. Go inside like this. Tap to go up. Then this direction. Yes. Yes. Then the last one, tap to go this direction like this. So that we can say which one is equal, this line and this line are collinear and also equal. We can say this line and this line collinear, equal, this line and this line. You can say they are somehow equal. Okay, it is far away, so press F to bring it close. Then again, that's okay. We can start my dimensioning. You can say this line is 5 already. Before that one, let's change to inches. Click here, change to inches. Then for you to edit, click on this one. Now click edit, then you continue. Smart dimension, smart dimension. This one, we can say it is 5 inch. Yes, you can go one by one. We say this one is smart dimension. Next, we want to put this one also to be 5. This one also to be 5. This line, you can put it 5. Then let's go slowly by slowly. I show you why I'm doing that. Then the height is also 5. We can put this one as 5 also. 5. What next? This one is also 5. 5. What next? Can we change so that we can make it black from 5 from here up to here? This one we can put it 5. 5. What next? Even this one is 5. That one is 5. Why is not black? You can say this one is along the z-axis. Even this one is along z-axis. Total one, if that is 5, that is 3, that is 3, that is 3, that is 3, this is 3, put it 3, yes, 3, Yes, this is 3. Um, the fillet, you can put a fillet of 1 all around. 1, this corner, yes, this corner, yes, this corner. Let's put it 3, 1 inch each one, this one, okay. All of them, you can put 1 inch, even this. Yes, this corner, this corner, yes. So they are all equal. Then click here, accept. So we have this. So the first one we had done without creating a sketch profile, but for this one we want to create a sketch profile. We see how it will look like. We have now a 3D sketch. Here it is now fully defined. You can press F to bring it to close. Okay. Next, we want to convert it into what you call composite curve. So click here, exit, then come to features, go to curves, composite curve, then pick this, click OK. After click OK, we want to create what you call a plane. So come to features, plane, want to create from here. So click this one and the starting point, click OK, OK. Then from here, we're able to, in this one, click on this sketch, want to put a sketch profile. You can zoom this area. How many shapes? Yeah, you can use 6 of them, no problem. I'm assuming I have this type of material. Then this one I can put close to point, say 875, 875, 875. Okay. If you want to put fillet, I put a fillet maybe one is too big, and 02. Here, 03. Okay. Okay. So this is what I have. I can now exit, then Control 7. So this one I can hide. Now, for us to use a sweep command, you have this. This is the sketch profile, and then this is the sketch path. So you can come now to features, and then features take sweep post base. You can click on this one to be the profile, and then the path. This is the profile, then the path. You pick on this to be the path, then you click OK. Yes, you can never hide this one. You can hide it. So you have this part also which is solid. If I want to make it hollow, what do? Let's make convert from millimeter to inches, come to shell command, then put like 1.27, yes, on this, then this one, then click here, show preview. We can check here if this is what we want. If not, we can also change this one to 1.2, okay, or 1.5, 1.5. Then we click OK. This one tells you it is uh, this one is telling you this. So in case I wanted to make it hollow, this is how we do it. But if you don't want it, I can remove the shell feature, so that I remain with the solid. So this is how we use the 3D sketch command and the composite curve. From the composite curve, we're able to um, um, also create a 3D feature using what you call sweep boss base. So we have learned on how we are going to do sweep boss base. So next we'll come and look at loft and boundary with boss base. How do we do sweep boss base, loft boss base and boundary boss base. So today we have looked at how can we use sweep boss base by using 3D sketch command. 3D sketch command. 3D sketch command. For example, another one, let me open without 3D sketch command, let me open control N. Okay, a simple example, I can click on front plane. If you're using 2D sketch, then you pick on this one. I want to just do a simple illustration. Maybe this is 100, and this is a quarter of it, that is 25. And then I have a fillet, for example, fillet of 10 here, fillet of 20, so that I can increase this one to 40. That is 75, 50. Yes. So we have this. I can exit. Yes. Control 7. I can use 2D sketch to also at the same time to create what? A 3D command. Maybe this part. Click on this and this. Okay. Here, sketch. I can pick maybe this. Okay. This is be 5-sided. Okay. Then make this one. Maybe this one be vertical. Okay. Don't want to do this one. My mouse is rushing. Control 8. Press F. This one, make this one to be horizontal. Smart dimension this one, maybe to 10. That is I want a key of 10. Then exit. After exiting, I've not used what you call a curve, a composite curve, but I want to use direct from 2D. This one and this one. You see, we're able to create a symbol, a link key from 2D, 2D sketch, 2D sketch, and also using 3D sketch. So this was a quick way of how we can create 2D sketch, and then from there we use sweep boss base. But our case here, if I'm able to close this one, I don't want to save it. I was just demonstrating. We're able to create a 3D sketch from this part, which we have done using 3D sketch, composite curve, and then sweep boss base. So we want to look at the last part last part here. Control N, last part for 3D sketch command. 3D sketch commands, click on top, sketch, take a circle, click here. In case you forgot to change the units, so just come down here, IPS. Then from there, we want to click on this edit, and then smart dimension. Here we have say 1 inch, for example, 1 inch. The next, after 1 inch, you can exit or control 7. Then come to features here, helical, pick on this one, make it go up these inches. So I'm using a pitch. I want a pitch of how many? Pitch and revolution. Pitch of let's say 0.25. 0.25. How many revolutions? Let's say 10. Okay, yeah, okay. Starting angle is 0 clockwise. See? So you're making a spring. Okay. So you have this. After making this, we want to combine with a 3D sketch command. 3D sketch command. So how do we do it? So come to this, this 3D sketch command. I'm combining 2D sketch command, 3D sketch command. This one. Then click maybe, for example, here. Let it go this direction, for example. Yeah. Let it go up. Yes. Let it go. So I can do tap. Yeah. This direction. Then I want to go tap this direction. Then yeah, this direction. Okay. I'm assuming this. Then press F. I want to go down, tap. go down like this, then inside like this, then tap like this. Okay, so how do we dimension this? We want to dimension this one 1.5. So let's see, control 1, what do we get? Control 7. So you can say this origin and this one, they say they are along what? Z, isn't it? Along Z, yes, along Z. So what the dimension we can use? Our dimensions, we can put this one, smart dimension. This one can be 2 inch, 2. The height can be, let's say 1.5, 1.5. Yes. This one can be 3.5. I'm combining 2D sketch and 3D sketch. 3.5. This one, correct, this one. This one can be, let's say 2.5, 2.5. Also, this one, 2.5. I can also say 2.5, but I can put constraints. Let me just dimension it. Okay. Then the height, I can say 1.5. 1.5. This one, how much can it go? Let me say, for example, 2. Let me see. 2. Okay. 2. This can go also 2. 2. Let me check. Let me check what is missing. What is missing? Not this to be to change the color. What's not missing? Yes. This one. Let me check. This one should be along Z. Yes, along Z. This one can be along Z. So I can put, which fillet can we put along Z? Which fillet can we put? Sketch fillet. Let's put 2.5 here. This one. Also this. Also this. Here. 0.25. Here. 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 And here. Okay. Let me check also here. Okay. 0.25. So we have this. Okay, this affiliate that has jumped here to 0.25, this part. So even this part has jumped. Okay. So we have the fillet. Next is we want to put the second part. The second fillet. So click here, exit. Okay. Then come to again 3D sketch. We want to pick a line. From this line, pick from this far end, go this direction. Yes. Then click tab, go here, then tap, follow this path, and then the last one like here. Then we want to make, for example, control 1, yes, should be control 7, this part and this origin, Where can it be? Along? We can put along Y, is it? Along Y will not work. So we can put this part. We can put this part and this part to be along Y. Yes, along Y. Along Y. So that in that case, we can now put our dimensions. Smart dimension. This one, you can say 0.75 inches. This one can put 1.5. Then this one we can put 2.5. Then this one we can put 3. 3. Then fillet, we can put the same fillet. Each fillet can we put fillet 0.25 these corners, this and this, and this one, this and this. Okay. Then we do exit. From there, we can convert into a composite curve. Where is it? Under curves, composite curve. So we want to pick this one, this, and this. Then click OK. So here we have one curve. Yes, we made, first of all, we made the circular one, the helical, that is a spring. From there, that is a spiral spring. Then from there, we made this one using 3D sketch. Then from there, we also made this one using 3D sketch. So you're able to convert them into one entity. Yes. And again, also we have to convert it using sweep commands. So you can come to sweep commands. I can use a circular profile. Let me put 0.25 as my circle. Then I pick in one of these. Yes, in any one of these. It can able to give me the 3D feature using what you call sweep command. You see, it has given me all of them. Yes. So I can click OK, even, or I can change maybe 0.2. 0.2. Takuwa lower. Click OK. Yes. So I have this. You see the beauty with the sweep command. If I show it, this just one feature. Maybe let me hide this. This one is just one sketch. Okay. Can return this one. I can also put the material. Maybe I'll just use a alloy. Like this one, I can hide this one. So this is what to obtain. I can also put. Let me change this one to millimeter conversion. Then come to shell. Maybe 1.25. I pick on this one. I pick on this face. I can say shell preview. I can zoom any one of here. If this one too small, I can put 1.5 like this, or I can put 1.2, common shell. Yes, then I click OK. So I've done my design from there using 2D sketch. The first one, which was 2D sketch to make the helical spiral. Second one was 3D sketch. The first 3D sketch, second 3D sketch. Then we converted all the first sketch for the helical, second, third, then one, maybe to say this sketch one. You can even edit, press F2, say sketch one. You can say 2D sketch one, and then you can name this one as 3D sketch 2, then this one as 3D sketch 3. So you have how many sketches? 3 sketch. So 3D sketch 2, that is 2D sketch 1, 3D sketch 2, 3D sketch 3. Then we have converted it into a composite curve. You can name this one as composite curve. Yes, composite curve. So you're able to rename this one. You can say you can name it as helical or you can say spiral, helix, spiral, helix. So then this is our 3D feature one using sweep command. Yes. Then this way you have made shell to make it hollow. Yes. So this is what we have done. So you're able to also to rename in SolidWorks, you can rename those commands. So you're able to rename these commands. And this is the beauty of it. Yes. We can able to rename the commands. So if here I will check here, I have only one solid. The last one, which is shell hollow command. You can say here is 3D feature. Just say which one. You can say 3D spiral spring extension. 3D spiral spring extension. Yes. This is how we can do it in SolidWorks. If I'm able to show this one, this is what we have done. You see this one the way it is. Yes. Control 2, 3, 4, 5, Control 7, Control 5. This is what we have. Control 7. You can show shaded views. You can show here. You can change the material. You can say this name. Save this as my 3D spiral extension. Okay. Then can I click on this, return the view, right click here, change the view. I want to put different colors, um, and put this one color here, this color. Okay. So this is what we have done in our design. The main objective is to understand how we can create 3D sketch. Yes. Second, how we can convert 3D sketch into a composite curve, purpose of the composite curve. Then next, how we can also use helix. Then from there, apply sweep command. Sweep command using the, I'm able to edit this one, show you. Sweep command using one, sketch fit profile, and second, sketch profile and using circular profile. So this is what we have achieved in our today's series for introduction to 3D sketch commands. In case you have a question, you can ask us. We're able to show you more on how to use 3D sketch command. I will do the last bit summary to summarize application of this one. Let me say top plane. I want to mix top plane. So take the mid plane, center rectangle. This one, I'm assuming my table 1200 by 600. 1200 by 600. This is 600. They say 600. This is my table. I'm assuming this is a table I have. So the last part, application. So you can take this one. Let me take this one here. To the sketch, exit, Control 7. Application of 3D sketch now. Come to this 3D sketch. Take a line. Draw a line here. Let it go down. Let's exit. Another one here. Another one here. Go down. Exit. Another one here. Exit. Another one here. Exit. Make all this one equal. All of them should be equal. Make them equal. This one should be 700. I'm using millimeters. Okay. 700. Put a support for your legs. Maybe the support should be somewhere here. Tap. Meet it here. Take another one. Yes. From this side. Ensure this goes along this path. Exit. Smart dimension. From here to here, I can put 254. Yes, same to this. Smart dimension here up to here. Yes, I have put a wrong line. So this one should be this one, and this point, put to 54. Okay, then put a line. Maybe from here, I can put another line, a line from here, tap to here, smart dimension from here to here, put 127. Make this one to be along x-axis, x-axis, it's black. Yes, so this is my simple table. Then exit. After exiting, come to elements, then click on the elements, structural, change here to ISO. Take the type I'm using square tube, check square tube. Here, check 40 by 40 groups. First one, pick the upper one, direct, like this, like this, like this, even this. I want to assume I'm using the same size, okay? Then click on new group, pick this one, new group, this, for me to make it a cut list. So I can pick on new groups, this one, then new group, that's okay, click okay. The support one, I put a different size, support member, I can put here 20 by 20, I click on this one, new group, pick on this, new group, I pick on this, then okay, I'm able to hide the sketches, hide the sketches, hide the sketches, yes, I have these sketches, hide them, then we check. If you look at here, it is inside, so you can come here, trim, pick this one, the body to trim. Bodies is this part, so that you can trim, and also this part. Okay, you can also pick this one here, and here you pick this and this one. Yes, then click OK. We have trimmed our part. Yes, this one is okay because it's the same material. You see, this one is okay. This part, it's okay. Click on this one, you see, it's okay. Yes, so we have checked. We can put the last part is the end cap. End cap, come here. You have the end cap. Pick on this. Corner radius, date of 3. They change this one to be inner. Mine I like inner, or you can extend it outside, no problem. Extend here. Also, pick this one. Extend here. Pick this one. Extend here. Pick this one, like this. Then, okay. In case you need more support, there's what you call, you can put material. Maybe let me put alloys, 10 alloy steel. And then I can put appearance, color, maybe painting. Let's say using this, edit this one. First of all, pick that part. Then expand here. Expand here. This steel, maybe polished steel, but your color of this color, I like this color. Okay, then when I always want to add gussets support, maybe this one, can put this on this. Yes, can increase to 50. Let's increase to 50, 50 by 50. Yes, thickness I can put is 5. Okay, location, you see, you can change location. So I want to put at the center. Okay, so you're able to put these gussets to help you support eh, the model. Yes, you're able to put this gussets. So it is good to put the supports like this. I can mirror, or I can put another one. Sorry, the gussets again. I can mirror, or I can put this, and this. Okay, Control 7. I can zoom and add another gusset. zoom at this region, add this one, okay, Control 7, add another one to mirror, yes, zoom here, add the last one, this and this, okay. So we have our gusset, so we have our design. So we have our topic one. When you look at our topic one here, we started using 3D sketch. From 3D sketch, we went ahead to um, maybe if I am able to minimize this, don't know, let me expand it like this. From 3D sketch, we're able to use feature, this feature, solid feature. From solid feature, also command, now we have gone ahead to do application of using 3D commands, where you can use a element. Element is just structural. So if structural, you can make many parts or many designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.